Ever feel like you're constantly busy, but somehow the most important tasks never seem to get done? That used to be me, until I discovered a few simple strategies that completely transformed the way I work. And the best part? They're far easier than you'd imagine. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you 5 game-changing tips that could be the key to unlocking the productivity you've been craving. These are quick, actionable, and powerful. So let's dive in. The 2-minute energy boost. Here's a quick trick that might sound a little crazy, but stick with me. Next time you're feeling sluggish, don't reach for another coffee. Instead, get up and move for 2 minutes. Jump around, stretch, do a couple of squats, whatever gets your blood flowing. It sounds simple, but trust me, it works. That quick burst of movement jolts your energy levels and sharpens your focus. I used to think I needed a full break or more caffeine, but now just 2 minutes is my secret weapon. Try it the next time you hit a slump, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Avoid decision fatigue. Ever notice how by the end of the day, even simple decisions like what to eat for dinner feel overwhelming? That's decision fatigue. The more choices you make, the more mentally drained you become, which slows you down. The solution? Eliminate unnecessary decisions. I wear the same types of clothes and eat the same breakfast every day. These small, automated choices free up my mental energy for the decisions that actually matter. Think about it. What's one decision you could eliminate from your day to simplify your life? Let me know in the comments. Time blocking with flex time. We've all heard of time blocking, right? But here's the thing, life doesn't always stick to your schedule. That's why I added something I call flex time into my day, a buffer for when unexpected tasks pop up, like surprise meetings or urgent emails. Introducing flex time was a total game changer. It gave me the breathing room I needed, and now, when something unexpected happens, I don't fall behind. Do you use time blocking? How do you handle those surprise tasks? Share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what works for you. The power of pausing. This last tip is simple, but seriously effective. Pause. In our rush to get things done, we often skip over one of the easiest ways to prevent mistakes, taking a moment to pause and review. I can't tell you how many times a quick pause has saved me from sending an email with a glaring mistake or missing an important detail in my work. It's such a small habit, but it can save you hours of corrections later. Try it next time you're racing through a task. Pause, check, and see how much smoother things go. Have you ever caught a mistake just by slowing down? Share your story in the comments, and there you have it. 5 simple, practical tips to boost your productivity and get more done without the burnout. Try them out and let me know which one you're starting with. Oh, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing tips just like these. You've got this. Let's make it happen.